Hi Sanjog. So this might not be the relevant case with what we have developed for the dispatch screen, but just wanted to confirm once. So basically, what I've done is I set a filter for the task, which is status is open, and I set include future task as well. So now I have this list, and the total count is 6. So if I have one task which is in on hold status and I'm changing status to open, should this task get listed automatically? I mean, should it follow the same rules that we have set on assignment? Because now it is matching this search criteria. Uh, or should it only appear after performing a search? I think second case is valid, but just wanted to confirm with you. Thank you.